Hi, and welcome to Number Analytics tutorial. This is Julia, and today I'm going to introduce how to use Number Analytics while you're doing a Pair Ttest. First, go to the Number Analytics website and click Analyze Existing Data for your Pair Ttest. For today's tutorial, we're going to use the San Francisco Airport satisfaction data in 2018 as our example. There are some typical examples that you can choose to conduct a Pair Ttest, such as studies of how certain property changes from before to after treatment, studies of twins, and individually matched case control studies. Find the Statistics section under the black banner at the top and click Pair Ttest. Then you can see the following screen. Make sure your data has been selected correctly. If you are done selecting your file, please press Select button. Here we have 3 steps to run Pair Ttest successfully. First, select your first variable. Here you can choose the first category between the two that you want to compare. We will choose Food variable because we are going to compare the satisfaction of food and store in San Francisco Airport. Next, select your second variable that you want to compare with the first one. In this case, we will choose Store variable. In Number Analytics Pair Ttest, we had implemented this program with two-sided tests. After you clicked all the variables, click Run. Let's check out the result. It says there's no significant difference on the means of food and store. In this t-test result, sig value, which is also known as the p-value, has been calculated as 0.4426. It is much bigger than the alpha, which is 0.05 in this case. It means we failed to reject the null hypothesis. To add more, the null hypothesis for this example indicates that the mean of the overall satisfaction in food service is equal to the mean of the overall satisfaction in store service in San Francisco Airport. Therefore, there's no big difference in customer satisfaction with food service and store service. Also, the box plot will be given to you for your additional information. You can easily check that there's no big difference between the two. Today, we learn how to run a Pair Ttest using our Number Analytics website. There are more tutorials with various kinds of tests. Please check out for further information. Hope to see you soon.